To the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we are going to be unboxing another fan. So this is like a small area fan that you could put like in a living room or in a bedroom. It's for small spaces, and it is you can tilt it so it's adjustable. So let's open it up. So it comes in another box. Alright, just put it here, Naomi. Okay, so this is called the Holmes Blizzard fan. So it has three settings. Okay, this one is the Spanish part. Let's flip it over now. So it's an air circulator fan. So it says powerful breeze felt from 30 feet away. 3-year limited warranty, and the color is cool gray. It came with another color, like a blue color. So let's open it up. Alright, so here's the fan.
That is huge.
It's a small fan.
That is huge. It's not small.
So I'm gonna be using this in a little, a small office space, which I need some air circulation. So let's open it up. So it's pretty bulky. Look at I think the width is like 6 inches. So this is the side view. The front view around 12 inches. And it comes with a sturdy, it's a pretty sturdy cord or plug. So let's plug it in and see how powerful it is. It came with a manual. Let me have a quick look on the manual. So fan cleaning instruction, store fan. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna plug it in and see how powerful it is. So you can actually mount this thing. So there's like a screw. You could put a screw in here. So the controls are over here. 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's turn it on. Start with 1. Now that's 1. It's really nice. And then 2. It is a pretty strong fan for how small it is. And 3. Look at this, Naomi.
Wow.
That's 3.
So I feel not hot anymore.
This is very cool.
Can I try? I'm very nice.
This is what I did when I was a kid.
Oh, we do the same.
So that's the unboxing for today. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.